If I had just 30 days to make $10,000 from my phone, this is exactly what I would do. The first thing I would do is go and create a brand new Instagram account. Most people don't realize how easy it is to make money from social media without being an influencer or having thousands of followers. Next, I would choose a niche. And before you say, I don't know anything about any topic, just choose from one of these niches. These are evergreen. Then head to this website, sign up for free, and go to the marketplace. Find a product in your niche and make sure the product pays at least $1,000 for every commission. Copy the link and add it to your bio. Now you want to start posting simple 7-second videos about the product and niche in general. And if you don't know what to post, that's totally fine. Just go to this website and model videos that are already proven to work. Your videos will drive people to your page, and your job is to direct them to the link in your bio. And you only need 10 commissions or fewer to make $10,000 a month. This is called affiliate marketing. I have been doing this for over a year, and I went from $0 made and 0 followers to scale to 5-figure months and have over 140,000 followers. I was also able to replace my 9-to-5 income in just a few months. I even found a way to automate 90% of this. If you want a free video that explains exactly how this works and how you can start the same way, just comment guide down below and I will send it directly to your inbox.